Today we had a visit to Nasahair Vietnam's hair purchasing and processing factory with Mr. Eliaster, a Russian hair expert.
I am really looking forward to this visit. I've heard a lot about the quality of hair in Vietnam. So I am also curious how you guys get such high quality hair products.
Yêu cái hệ thống nó sẽ lọc cái hệ thống nó sẽ đổ để cái xử lý nó tôi thấy hiệu quả tốt rồi đó hiệu quả tốt nó vẫn đang kia sau khi cảnh ra một but there is no
You can see a new bleaching technologies are very good. These hairs are truly 100% real human's hair. I can clearly feel the natural softness of the hair. This color is handled very well. It looks beautiful and even. The steps are carried out very carefully and cleanly. They divide into separate areas for each step of hair treatment. The items are clean, very clean, so clean, and our machines can produce these products. Very nice roll here. So let's check. You can see.
Look, it's all human raw hair.
Hello. Sau khi cái quá trình mà bạn về nhà máy của chúng tôi tham quan về cơ sở vật chất, về sản phẩm thì bạn thấy nó như thế nào?
Okay, I came especially to Bakhim, to his factory, Nasahair. First, I want to say big thank you
Okay.
for this visit and for your time. I'm a customer and I want to recommend this hair because I've bought 2 wigs and some hair on tresses, I mean weft hair, and 1 curly hair. I saw they showed to me a lot of products and I found that this product is very 100% natural human's hair. It's number 1 and it's very important. Number 2, when I used it with my customers, I could say that my customers are very happy about this hair. Number 3, I could say that service. They sent me hair very quickly and in time. What I want to tell you more, the quality of this hair is quite good. You can see ants. You can see Yes, it's a double drawn. Yes, you can see the quality of this hair. I can take curly, or I can take straight, bone straight. What? Yes, I should say, or wig. That I have it in my hand. I could say that quality is very perfect, and as a reseller, also my customers are happy about technology. I could say when they showed to me their factory, Nasahair, I saw that technology are very modern. I was really surprised about this. So that's why they can make good quality of hair with their technology. Their technology is quite modern, I see, and very right and correct. And I'm really surprised. Thank you so much for your quality. And I'm sure in my customers that they will be happy. Xin cảm ơn. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Okay.